What if your rough sketches could transform into stunning digital art in seconds? Today, I'm showing you my complete workflow using Adobe Firefly's image generator. Start with a rough concept sketch. It doesn't need to be perfect. Scan or photograph your drawing in high resolution. Adobe Firefly works best with clear line work and defined compositions. I usually adjust contrast in Photoshop first to enhance edges and ensure Firefly reads your sketch accurately. This prep work is crucial for better results. Upload your sketch into Firefly's generative fill feature. Write descriptive prompts matching your artistic vision. Include style, lighting, and mood. I typically iterate 3-5 times, refining prompts based on outputs. Firefly's latest model handles complex compositions beautifully. Don't be afraid to experiment with wildly different prompts to discover unexpected creative directions and happy accidents. Export your favorite Firefly generation and bring it back into Photoshop for final tweaks. Adjust colors, blend modes, and add personal touches. Layer your original sketch over the AI output for hybrid compositions. This combination maintains your artistic intent while leveraging Firefly's rendering power. The goal is seamless integration, not replacing your creativity. Use reference boards for style consistency. Save successful prompts in a document, they're reusable. Start with simple sketches and gradually increase complexity. Pay attention to lighting direction in your original drawing. Firefly respects these cues. Remember, AI is a tool amplifying your vision, not replacing artistic decision-making. Master this workflow, like, subscribe, and drop your sketch to Digital Journey in the comments below.